Welcome back with Mr. Nick Compare, and today we are going to spot the difference between two pairs of Nike Air Max 270 triple black colorway. So let's check it out. On the first sample here on the marking area, the Air 270 letter here slightly go down, it touched the midsole. And also there is a white glue stain between the upper material and the midsole here. Compared to the authentic one here, is the Air 270 slightly come up. Another one, as you guys can see, the direction of the material here, the holes on the material, the direction is different on the fake one compared to the authentic one. The direction is slightly to the left on the authentic one. However, on the fake one is slightly kind of a little bit straight vertical. And also Air 270 letter here, slightly bigger, and also it's placed right in the middle on the fake one. On the authentic one is slightly come up. Another one also, as you guys can see here, the material direction here, the holes, it's straight vertical on the fake one. Compared to the authentic, it's a little bit slanted on the authentic one. And also there is a white glue stain between right on top of the midsole here. Next one, still same. The Air 270 is slightly bigger here, and also the direction of the material is straight vertical on the fake one. Compared to the authentic, it's a little bit slanted, slightly to the left. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see here, I draw the line here so you can easily understand. There are only 2 and 1 holes on the fake one, 2, 1 and 2, and then 1 again. Compared to the authentic one, the authentic is 2 and 2, still same, it's zigzag. Another one also still same, 2 and 1. On the authentic one is 2 and 2, the pattern is zigzag. Looking from above here on the insole, look at on the insole pattern here, the Air Max print is looking different on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is a little bit more darker color. On the fake one is lighter, the light gray color. Moving to the back of the shoes on the heel tab, as you guys can see, the Nike shoes on the fake one is slightly come up. However, on the authentic one is slightly go down here. It's close with the upper heel. Next one, as you guys can see, there is a white glue stain. A lot of glue stain here on the fake one. Compared to the authentic is looking so clean, looking so good. On the fake one here, there's a white glue stain between the upper heel and the midsole here. And also between the midsole and the outsole here is looking so dirty. Take a closer look here, still same. You can see there's a white glue stains looking so terrible. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram or leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.